very distinguished Chief Guest Dr. Abhay Kumar Firodia ji, Chairman Force Motors Limited, Guest of Honor Dr. Deepak Tilak ji, President of the Institute CMA Amitanand Apte ji, immediate past President CMA Sanjay Gupta ji, my council colleague and convener Dr. CMA Aishok, Chairperson Pune Chapter CMA Meena Vaidya ji, past presidents of the Institute, my council colleagues, regional council office bearers and members, chapter office bearers and members, representatives from ACCA, participants from SAFA countries, members and delegates from India and abroad, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. I, on behalf of Institute of Cost Accountants of India, heartily welcome you all to the 59th National Cost Convention. The Institute was set up in the year 1944 and is in the 75th year of its establishment. In all these 75 years, the cost accountants have been providing services in core areas of cost and management and allied areas. If I talk of basic areas of cost, we have been engaged in ascertainment of the cost of a product, for pricing of the product, for identifying possible reduction of cost, identifying standard cost for controlling purposes, and for various statutory purposes. To ensure that cost computations across the industry are made on similar lines and well-established principles, Institute is ensuring standardization of such principles through Cost Accounting Standards Board, which has so far prescribed 24 cost accounting standards. The board has further issued guidance notes on cost accounting standards and also on various important elements of cost. The board also supports the cost accountants industry at large by issuing various clarification and responding to queries raised. If I talk of the second core area of practice, management accountancy, the members have been providing services in the field of managerial decision-making, decision to set up a unit, continue a unit, about a unit decision to recover variable cost in case of surplus capacity, profitability planning, optimal utilization of resources, productivity analysis, optimum time to produce a product, and similar management techniques. The Institute has issued various guidance notes on the subject of management accountancy also. The other areas where we have been rendering services include internal audit of public sector enterprises, stock audit, concurrent audit of banks, forensic audit, financial audit of cooperative societies, performance audit, special audit, internal and concurrent audit of National Health Mission, SEBI half-yearly internal audit, billing accuracy audit of TRAI, accounting separation report of TRAI, various certifications under Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, CERC, fertilizer industry, IRDA, and some more. The theme of this 59th National Cost Convention is Power of the Past, Force of the Future. I broadly discussed the power of the past, the areas where we have been rendering services, and will continue to provide services in these areas in future as well. If I talk of force of the future, besides these core areas, we need to be vigilant to adapt to the future due to change in technology as well as new areas opening up for cost accountants. In the last about 2 years, the government has opened up 3 areas of opportunity for us. Implementation of GST, for which cost accountant can provide services from the registration of a unit till the final GST audit. Today, cost accountant in practice, having passed the examination by Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India and having a post-training of 50 hours, can provide services as insolvency professional. Today, cost accountant can also provide services in the field of valuation, which has been unregulated area so far, by qualifying valuation, examination, and 50 hours of pre-examination training. We need to focus on these areas which are force of the future in addition to existing core areas. We also need to adapt to changes in technology and new concepts in our professional areas. Today's events as force of the future includes deliberation on these changes. That is Industrial Revolution 4.0, artificial intelligence, big data and data analysis, climate change, integrated reporting, etc. I'm sure the deliberation in this 2-day national convention will go a long way in ensuring that cost accountant continue to provide efficient services and remain backbone to the industry. With this word, I conclude and thank you.